Good morning. Now I'm coming to feed my stray pagoda cats and dog here, and it's finished for feeding here. I gave some food to the kitten, the ginger kitten there. Now he's not frightened. He's just coming to ask some food to eat with the other. And when I walk past there, the kitten is hiding inside a small hole, but she's follow me, and I just keep some food in there. Sorry, I cannot speak loudly because I don't want to make her frightened. I think maybe the kitten is coming to eat the food that I leave there, so just go to see. Okay, so I have to go back because she's frightened. That's why I cannot touch, and I just leave the food inside that small hole because she stay in there. And when I walk past to feed my animals at the blue tents there, at the wooden building, I just see the kitten is hiding, the gray one that she's always frightened to the people. And when I walk past there, I see her and running and escape quickly. That's why I see maybe she's living here, but she doesn't want to come out to eat with the other. That's why I just drop the food. I leave the food in on something, and she will come and eat later. That's the female one. She want to go up there too, and now she has food, but yeah, I will bring some water to keep in there. That's in case that she's thirsty. Hopefully she come back. I don't know he or she because I didn't touch her yet. So I just leave the food maybe every day because actually I know that she's there now, because the other two kitten is still here with the other. What's wrong, baby? Okay, so oh, where's the other kitten? She's going back. Okay, so now I just finished feeding my animal here, and so I have to go to feed. The next is my dog, because I have to feed 4 dogs there. Okay, so now it's finished. The kitten is relaxed. Okay, though, thank you so much for watching video from my YouTube channel. Please share and subscribe to have more video. Thank you for your support. See you next video. Tony, come down. Nhắm bye. Tony, come on. Thank you. Bye.